Good day, Doctor. Today we would like to present project construction planning and scheduling. This is a group member of us. For introduction, construction planning and scheduling play an important role to ensure the project can be complete on time and within the budget. In this project, we have received a task that requires us to propose a project proposal for building construction, which is a 2.5-story office building at Kuala Muda, Kedah. We use the Microsoft project software to develop a scheduling, assign the resources to tasks and tracking process, manage the project, and analyzing the workload. The objective of this project is to propose a building construction project by making any logic assumption on work breakdown structure, working time, and resource estimation of project. The next objective is to develop a planning and scheduling plan for construction project by using Microsoft project software. And the last is to display an ability to let them productivity participate in a group for producing scheduling plan for a construction. That's all for me. Thank you.
My name is the scope of project. This project is a 2.5-story control center of flood mitigation for Sungai Muda located at Kuala Muda, Kedah. And the cost is estimated to be 1.2 million ringgit Malaysia, and the duration of the project is 11 months. This is the layout plan of the site. For the methodology, so first we will understand the client's need based on the location, time, budget, and also quality. Then we will identify all the activities involved and then schedule the activities based on the priorities. And afterwards, we will determine the sequence of start, finish, and linkage between each activity. Then we will develop the work breakdown structure to divide the project into levels and determine the time, resources, cost, and activity cost for each activity. And the last step is developing Gantt chart, critical S-curve, and financial S-curve, and also identify the critical activities in the project.
Good day, Doctor. My name is Guangshen. Today I'm going to present about the work breakdown structure of WBS. There are a total of 125 activities involved in this project. The WBS is constructed into two methods, which is the online methods and the graphical methods. The activities are sorted into 5 levels, which start from level 1 until level 5. So this is the online methods of the WBS. It starts from level 1, construction of 3-story office building, and followed by sub-level 2, preliminary works, and followed by level 3, level 4, and even level 5. 1.4 is the end of the WBS. This is the graphical methods of the WBS. Since we have 125 activities, therefore is presented in few pages with their corresponding levels. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, Doctor. My name is Yap Chi Kyung, and my lecture number is F170260. And I will be showing the presentations of our all the costing of the project, Gantt chart, and the graph, including the financial S-curve and physical S-curve. And this is the chart for a table for our resource cost. As you can see, it has the respectively standard rate, overtime rate, and also cost per use. Different positions have different of the rates and also the cost that we need to pay for the project. This is the WPS table with the costing for every activities and number of workers required. And this is the Microsoft project Gantt chart. And this is our financial S-curve. As you can see, it has reached the 1.2 million at the end of our project. And also physical S-curve, which is the 100% until of the completion until the end of our project. We start from 1st of July until the 15th of June. And this is our critical activities for our critical activities for our project. That's all from me. Thank you.
Morning everyone, my name is Tan Chi Shon with matrix number AF170241, and I'll present for discussion. The activities are divided into 3 main works, which are temporary works, permanent works, as well as testing and commissioning. Temporary works include site clearing, cut and fill, excavation, signage, site fencing, retaining system, and soil improvement. Permanent works, on the other hand, require different profession or engineers for the construction work such as piling, substructural and superstructural, architectural, mechanical, and electrical and external works. Besides that, testing and commissioning work is typically related to RI inspection and certificate of statutory completion, or also known as CSC. The working days are from Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. with an hour break, which is from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Hence, this leads to a total of 8 hours duration per day, and there were no half working days considered in this project. However, sometimes overtime in works is required. The non-working day for the project is Sunday, and the next consideration taken into the project is the public holiday. A work down structure WBS diagram is produced in which a drawing of network diagram is formed. A physical S-curve and a financial S-curve has also been drafted and sketched. Both graphs increase gradually, and the total cost for this project is estimated as RM 1.2 million.
Good morning, Doctor. My name is Wang Xiaozhong. My team number is AS170227. I represent for the conclusion part. Project management is the discipline of planning and executing a project. Okay, in conclusion, Mango Project is a useful project management software that plays a major role in effectively managing, controlling, and tracking project progress. Hence, this software can also be helpful to project manager by allocating resources to the activities, monitoring progress, and allocating the project budget during the construction life cycle planning stage. From the result and discussion, the Gantt chart illustrated the project start on 1st of July 2021 and will be complete on 15th of June 2022, which included the public holidays, no working days on every Friday and Saturday. Thus, this also displays the total amount of cost required for the construction project, which is 1.2 million. Besides, Gantt chart also shows the cost required of each activity when the resources is allocated, and this will be benefit to the project manager to distribute the budget of the project in order to avoid the overrun cost. Furthermore, there are two types of S-curve is constructed, which is the physical S-curve and also the financial S-curve. From the analysis of the Gantt chart, the critical part of this project is determined, and this will enable the project manager to avoid any procrastination of critical activities that help to avoid any project impacts. Therefore, this is to ensure that the project is finished on time and within the budget allocated. That's all from me. Thank you, Doctor.